Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will discuss the factors affecting physical fitness. The following factors usually affect the physical fitness of individual in sports person. So first factor is here, heredity. Heredity also plays a vital role in affecting the physical fitness. In fact, heredity decides the structure of a person, slow twitch fibers and fast twitch fibers. Also depend on heredity. Actually, what is heredity? Heredity means it is a biological system by which offspring get the different genetic character from their parents. This process is also known as heredity. So same way, heredity plays an important role to provide a physical fitness to the sports person. If the percentage of slow twitch fiber is more, the person will have more endurance, whereas if the percentage of fast twitch fiber is more, the person is like to have more speed. So basically व्हाइट एंड रेड ट्विच फाइबर के ऊपर हम लोग का एंड्योरेंस एंड स्पीड डिपेंड करता है. ड्यू टू सम स्ट्रक्चरल imperfections or deformities at birth reduce the level of physical fitness. So due to some structural imperfections or deformities, if there are any deformities inside our body, so same way it provide a great role on physical fitness. Next, environment. The environment, which includes climate, temperature, altitude, social and cultural factors, affects the physical fitness of a person. So these common conditions are basically plays a great role to affect the physical fitness of a person. These are basically climate, temperature, altitude, social and cultural factors. Research studies indicate that the persons who lived in cold climate tend to have more physical fitness because their environment. So those people live in cold climate, basically they are not get exhausted heavily rather than hot climate. That's why they have more physical fitness. Same way, those who live in hot climate, they get easily exhausted. That's why they have less physical fitness. So there are many societies in the world in which emphasis is laid down upon physical fitness on individuals. Next, nutrition. Nutrition also influences the level of physical fitness. As a matter of fact, nutrition is not only helpful in maintaining physical fitness, but it also improves the level of physical fitness. So basically, if we get proper nutrition, we can easily enhance our physical fitness. On the other hand, if proper nutrition is not taken, it will have types of disease or disorders such as cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes, rickets, beriberi, goiter, etc. So if we do not take the proper nutrition, we can easily face different types of physical disease or disorder such as cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes, goiter, beriberi, etc. Such diseases definitely reduce the level of physical fitness. So when we easily attack with different types of disease or disorder, no, they get easily reduce our level of physical fitness. Next, training. Training plays a vital role in the level of physical fitness of an individual or sports person. If proper facilities of training are provided, the level of physical fitness will be improved. So if we get the facilities of training, we can easily improve our physical fitness. If methods of training are appropriate, They will be helpful in enhancing the level of physical fitness. So if the process of training is appropriate, so we can easily enhance our physical fitness. Regularity in training and proper amount of training are also essential for proper physical fitness. So is इनके नीचे underline करना and you will mention the line regularity in training और exercise और proper amount of training. कितना हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और क्या क्या एक्सरसाइज करेंगे उसके ऊपर प्रॉपरली हम लोग का फिजिकल फिटनेस डिपेंड करता है. On the other hand, if facilities and methods of training are not proper, the physical fitness of the individual will be definitely affected. So if the process of training is not correct or not proper for individual, we can't get the proper physical fitness. Next, illness. Illness also affects physical fitness of an individual. Long-term illnesses such as tuberculosis, heart ailments, lung disease, diabetes, disease related to the blood, and mental illness have negative effect on physical fitness of individuals. So if we suffering any different kinds of if we suffering in different types of disease like heart disease, tuberculosis, lung disease, diabetes, so we can't, these disease generally affect on physical fitness of individual. If an individual remains away from this illness, he usually will have a good level of physical fitnesses. Next, self-motivation. Self-motivation or intrinsic motivation is a significant factor which affect the physical fitness of an individual. So self-motivation means खुद का अंदर का जो एनर्जी और स्टेमिना होता है, खुद को एम्पावर करना. As a matter of fact, if an individual is self-motivated to adhere to regular training or exercise, definitely. So if we gain our self-motivation, we have to follow the regular training or exercise. He is likely to have a good level of fitness, also good posture also. Moreover, this, if you are self-motivated to achieve physical fitnesses, you will certainly improve our level of physical fitnesses. So if we can enhance our self-motivation, we can easily get the physical fitness and we can improve our level of physical fitness through proper training and exercise. On the other hand, if you are not self-motivated towards physical fitness, you may not have a sufficient level of physical fitness. Next, emotional stability. Emotional stability is the capacity to maintain one's emotional balance under stressful circumstances. So what is emotional stability? It is a situation whereas we can easily balance any individual under any stressful circumstances. मतलब खुद को कोई सिचुएशन में हम कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हैं, that is our emotional stability. Emotional stability has a positive effect on the level of physical fitness of an individual or sports person, whereas emotional instability tend to reduce the level of physical fitness of an individual. So normally emotional instability अगर होता है तो normally वो affect करता है physical fitness के ऊपर. As a matter of fact, if an individual remains upset, anxious, nervous, tense, angry, and overstressed, he is like to have a low level of physical fitness. So those we can face the different types of condition like upsetness, anxious, nervousness, tension, angry, and overstress. So we can't get proper physical fitness. These emotions affect his psychological system, which ultimately tells upon his physical fitness. So these kinds of conditions basically affect our psychological system, which affect the physical fitness. So such emotion decreases the psychological power of an individual. Next, lifestyle. Lifestyle also affects physical fitness. If an individual adopts a healthy lifestyle, generally he would have a good physical fitness. So lifestyle is a very important point. If we follow the proper lifestyle, good lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, it can easily enhance our physical fitness. On other hand, if an individual has sedentary lifestyle, his physical fitness will decline. So if we don't follow the proper healthy lifestyle, it easily affect our physical fitness. Next, last point is posture. Everybody appreciates the individual who has a good posture. Naturally, such individual owns at least some components of physical fitness. So at first, what is posture? Posture is a situation of body when we can walk, play, lie, whatever. मतलब जब कोई सिचुएशन में हम लोग बॉडी का जो सिचुएशन रखते हैं, दैट इज द पोस्चर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. सो नॉर्मली अगर गुड पोस्चर होते हैं तो नॉर्मली एवरीबॉडी अप्रिशिएट एनी इंडिविजुअल. If an individual has various postural deformities like bow legs, knock knee, kyphosis, lordosis, or scoliosis, etc., he cannot have a good level of physical fitness. So it means that such individuals may lack of some level of speed, strength, flexibility, and endurance and coordinative abilities. So if we faces the different types of postural deformities like bow legs, knock knee, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, etc. So basically these type of disease affect our physical fitness. It means that such individuals have lack of speed, strength, flexibility, endurance, and coordinative abilities. On the other hand, good posture is always helpful in having good level of physical fitness. So it can be avoided that posture affects the level of physical fitness of an individual. So normally जिसका बॉडी पोस्चर अच्छा है, दे कैन इजीली इनहेंस देयर फिजिकल फिटनेस. और जिसका बॉडी पोस्चर ठीक नहीं है, इफ दे फेसिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल डिफॉर्मिटीज, डिफॉर्मिटीज क्या होता है, फिजिकल फिटनेस के ऊपर इफेक्ट करने पे फिजिकल फिटनेस कम हो जाता है. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. सो फॉर टुडे अप टू दिस पोर्शन.